Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Once again, I'm going to be posting this on both channels for obvious reasons until I start gaming, then it'll only go on one. So, welcome back to another video. If y'all haven't watched the video before this one, please go give it a watch. It was taking apart my $2,000 bill. That bill was built like, what, 22 years ago, so it's 2024 right now, so it was built in 2022. And the parts is like, the prices of stuff is just different then. Yes, the sun is beaming directly on me, so hope I'm light enough, sorry. So, with that being said, in today's video, to cut it short, I'm going to be unboxing this OLED Vision case, and I'm going to be seeing what the contents look like. I think I had this case for about like 2 weeks now, two and a half, 3 weeks now, before like I even opened it. So yeah, I had it for like 2-3 weeks. Yeah, I haven't touched it, so we're about to touch it today. It's gonna be a party. You know what type of party. So yeah, I gotta clear this whole table. I might do a little special for y'all and unbox this monitor as well, but who really knows? Time for a trusty old knife. Definitely cut the box on that, but who cares? Oh no, I didn't. Type beat. Woo! This look good. Am I special? Should I have unbox this from the bottom and slide the top? Oh god. Also, it's like a crazy like beam in the middle of the thing. Leave me alone. I'm trying, okay? Now we do this. Oh my. I was about to bust. Oh! Now. Oh, it smells so good. That's where it's at. We low-key don't read stuff like this. Oh my god. I've been watching videos on it, so. Oh my god. I might low-key need to read this. Yeah, I'm taking this to work with me today, so I can study this. Hoo-wee. Cause I forgot, a lot of these panels can come off, so. Look at this beauty. What? The case come in a little managed box. I said the case. The screws come with the managed box of the nuts. Oh, it's definitely locked. Handy dandy. Listen, listen. Hopefully y'all heard that. Look at that. You know, I can read Japanese, but this is confusing. Nihon Jin, no. Nihon, no. One of these say Japan. Or unless it's Chinese. Ooh, little twirl, little spin. Yeah, I'm cool. So, if you can see right here, it got like a lip. This is to protect like the glass pieces, I believe, while it's in shipping. Yeah, that's definitely what it's for. It got a seamless edge on the corner right here. no borders. It goes straight down. As you can see, making a shadow with my arm. The back is a little thick. The back is a lot thick, but it's okay. We need this to cover cables, to manage stuff like that. So this is what the power supply was showing me. So I can take this out and then put it back in with the power supply. What are these? Cages for what? These are cages for the hard drives, I believe. If I have any. Well, let's take this case apart actually. Let's do some inspection and get comfortable with the uncomfortable. The real question is, how do I pop this off? Fucking time lapse. Oh wait, I believe they said it's clickable, like here. Yep. It just pops straight off, right? I'm about to break it. No, okay. It was just harder. Maybe because it's brand new. Ooh, chill. Trying to rip the glove already. So here. It's the sleekness of this. Look how thin it is. Ooh wee. Like a Transformers movie. The hose. The graded. The mesh type format. It's a good metal. Like aluminum, whatever. Set this to the side. Yeah. I most definitely am not going to be using these. So this is a lot of stuff I can take out. Although I can have this in to manage some cables. But once again, let's get comfortable with the uncomfortable. Now they come straight out. These are definitely hard drive cases that I'm not gonna need. Oh, the mesh panels on the inside. Feels so good to stick your fingers through. Like look right here, up top. Yeah. It's like soft materials though, that's good. I know the tray on the inside is our motherboard tray. We get to pull that whole tray out to install our motherboard on, then put the tray back in. Which is kind of not a bad thing to be able to do, but I don't think that I'm actually gonna do that because I'm not trying to fudge this build up. It's just kind of freaking cool. Some, you have divisions, like Velcro straps right here for some more cable management with 2 brackets that you can uninstall. How you uninstall these brackets, if you look on the inside of the case, it's gonna show the back of the screw. Oh, hold on, let me move this for you. Look inside of the case, it's gonna show the back of the screw, as you can see right here. To uninstall these, all you do is turn the case around. You take the motherboard tray out, then right behind that tray is gonna be 2 screws that you can unscrew, 4 screws, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom, that you can unscrew forward to bring the back 2 out. If you wanted that to come out for more management because you got a bigger power supply or whatever the case may be. Wait a minute. This doesn't come with fans. This doesn't come with anything. What is the cables in here for? Does this light up? Chat, what is this for? I gotta do some research. USB, F panel, USB 3.0. Holy smoly. This, there we go. No barnacles. You put the bottom one on first, then you put the top one on at the same time. Bam. Real question is, what is the cables in this case? Oh, the power. Yeah, it's definitely for the power. Okay. Because I'm like, hello, am I missing something? I'm gonna put it on its glass because it got that protective stuff on here. I'm gonna turn it upside down. Now, this is the cables I was talking about. The cables are wired through the bottom and it goes right through here. And then these are the cables that I'm talking about that y'all may have not seen. So, yeah. Now let's see what's next on my agenda of touching in this case. Got some more cable management wires. Let's put the back on and then let's go to the front. See what the front looks like. Oh, you can set the power supply on this. I might need to remove this too. Yeah, I might need to remove this little stair right here. This little Stairmaster for the big people. I mean, for the power supply, so I can stick it in here. My power supply pretty darn chunky, so let's see what it's like. My boys, y'all, they Jaytoven, Loxus, DZ, Jockey or Jix, whatever you like to be called now. If y'all find yourself watching this video, I literally appreciate all four of y'all boys. Yes. So this, pop into place, and just give it a little smack on the rear. Nice. Good. All right, get my thumbnail. Holy smoly donut shop. This freaking ish slides out. This is a dust catcher for you dust mites and termites who freaking linger all over the place and don't do nothing with y'all life. I mean, this is for like the dust that gets collected when you pushing and pulling with the fans, and over time you pull your tray out and you collect it and you clean this. Now, I will say this. There's a couple ways I wanted to configure my fans. My AIO is going back there, 3 fans going on the bottom. Then I need 1 here. So I don't know how many push and pulls I want. I don't know how many intakes and exhausts I want. So I have a couple of references that I was looking up from TechSource with this case, and then I put it on my story asking for some help. And then one of my Micro Center, one of my new Micro Center buddies, he slid up on it and commented. He said, have 6 intake, 1 exhaust. Yes, hot air rises, but 1 exhaust is crazy. He said it'd be fine. Let's think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intake, bring it in air. And then the air is getting pushed up. Well, my GPU is gonna be in there as well. Then it's only 1 exhaust. He said it'd be fine. I'm like, okay. I'm like, if my computer overheats like a George Floyd concert, then I'm coming to you and I'm having some conversations with you. I'm gonna give him a call. That was kind of crazy. That's what the insides look like. I'm gonna take this glass off so I can get some hands-on stuff in here, do a couple more things, see what it looks like. Then that'll be the end of the video. When I'm doing case unboxings, I like to keep them short and straight to the point to answer all of y'all questions and see what y'all got concerns or worries about. And hopefully I touch over everything so y'all can at least like, oh, I know what that is. Oh, like cool, yippee-ki-yay, bada bing, bada boom. Overheating is a problem with this camera now. Anyways, I took the thumbscrews out. Here's the case glass coming off. Whoa, look like this is a French window. See how it just popped down like that? Super clear actually. Still keeping this on top so I can protect it. Set this to the side. Keep as many fingerprints off as the inside of the glass as possible. I got a microfiber towel, but less to do if I just keep it clean now. Ooh wee. I know this can come off, yeah. So I gotta unscrew this from the bottom if I wanna take this off. If I need to take this off, but I low-key don't. I'm gonna just install my fans right on top of here. Since it's a large enough case, I can literally do that on the inside without moving anything. So if I put the fans in first, I should be fine. I definitely shouldn't. I should put the fans in last. Yeah, I should take this out and put the fans in. Hold on. So 2 screws here. So 2 screws here. Once I take these 2 out, it's on a latch-based system down here. Latch-based system down here, 2 screws right here. Once I take the 2 screws out, I'm gonna be able to pull it towards y'all and then lift it up and out. So yeah, that should be easy. Motherboard, you got 1 large screw holding the motherboard in. Then you got a couple clips right here. None of these are actually, yeah, I think they are. The GPU clip, like when you take these out to put your GPU in. You got a couple of them sitting right here. Let's zoom this in a little closer. So yeah, you got 1 screw up here. GPU clips right here to secure the GPU. Take a couple of these out, I think, and pull this whole tray out. But I don't think it's that easy. Nope, you got this right here as well. And that's really it. You can take this top panel off. The top panel comes off with these 2, just for the sake of it. We're gonna take this off for y'all. And I'm gonna install everything the same way I'm taking it off. Did Hawk freaking screw these? What in the Navy SEALs is going on? It's a good thing that they're the same size. You don't have to worry about anything. Just make sure you keep these white little pieces on top of them, because these white pieces, it's like a secured like nut for them, like a washer, I should say. So keep that. And then these two are off. Take the glass off like this, slide it right out. Now we can work on the case from the top, the bottom, the front, the side, the back. We can hit it from so many different angles. This is nice, y'all. This is very nice. Not too much to really show with the case besides this. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me reassemble this video. Let me reassemble this case. Let me do an outro and let's get this edited and let's get on to the next one. That top screw has a point. The rest of the screws have a non-point, a flat top. Rigged. It makes sense because it's a little bit longer, so they need the tip to get in deeper. So they put a pointy tip on there just to make sure that it ensures it happens. Honestly, it's a pro and a con. It's a design flaw. They could have took that off and had it like perfectly fine. But then again, if that was the case, holy shoot, I can push this whole thing out when the other screw's not in. That's why we need the screws. I'm like, because it was pointless to have 4 screws. All you need is the top and bottom for the case, but you need a screw to keep this tight. That's why we try stuff out, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the Lian Li 011 Vision case. This case is super cool, actually, in like my honest opinion. It's really cool. I'm gonna have like tons of fun with this case. It's gonna be a lot of space in here to cover, but I feel like having one exhaust is gonna be fine. There's nothing to worry about. With that being said, here's the size differential from this current case to my old one. It's slightly taller. Like my old case, it's slightly taller, but it's nowhere thick. This shit is nice. Look at this. This is insane work. Yeah, this case is chunky. This is the chunkiest. Like a little beefy boy. He ate his rice and veggies. 1 glass screen panel, and then 3 fans that they come with. 3 glass panel, 1, 2, 3, and no fans come with it, but it's okay because our motherboard tray is removable. We have cable management cables for the back. We have replaceable everything, screws that can let everything come out and be adjustable and movable. This came with hard drive cases as well. It came with 2 of them in the back, but this came with 2 and it was way better because they was in a better position in every way. The 2 was also white. The 2 in here is black. The thing I did like about this, it had clips for the SATA drives as well. And then that one didn't. But old $2,000 bill, new $2,000 bill. I love when time flies because prices drop, except for houses, real estate, food, and gas, because that's the most. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate that. If y'all like the video, please click the like, comment something, because I love to hear feedback and what y'all thought, what I should have did differently. If I said I didn't know something and y'all know what it is, let me know as well. Subscribe to come back to videos like this because I'm going to be making more in the future. And share the video with your friends, families, cousins, sisters, co-workers, enemies, whatever. Y'all haters is my motivators and my haters is y'all motivators, if that made any sense. But without further ado, here is the old PC that I took out of everything and I stripped and put aside. And here's the new PC that I'm going to put new parts in. Stay tuned for the next video because that's going to be an unboxing of all of the gear. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to get rid of the boxes. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup here. Without further ado, I appreciate y'all. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night, whatever parts of the world you are on. And I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.